morning everyone. Myself Usmana Sheikh. My roll number is 28. My topic is structure of the atom. I will ask you some questions. Give answer in 2 sentences. Let's begin. What are the fundamental or building blocks of metal?
The fundamental or building blocks of metals are atoms and molecules.
What are the subatomic particles of atom?
Electron, proton and neutron.
Electron is discovered by which scientist?
J.J. Thomson discovered electron.
In which year J.J. Thomson discovered electron?
In 1900, J.J. Thomson discovered electron.
Who discovered proton?
Proton is discovered by E. Goldstein.
Proton is discovered in which year?
Proton is discovered in 1886.
By which symbol we can represent electron?
We can represent electron by the symbol of E negative.
What is the symbol of proton?
Symbol of proton is P positive.
What is the mass of the proton? Yes.
Mass of the proton is 1 unit.
As compared to electron, what is the mass of proton?
It is 2000 times.
What is the mass of an electron?
Mass of an electron is negligible.
Where are protons and nucleons situated?
Protons and neutrons are situated in nucleus.
Which subatomic particle revolve around the nucleus?
Electron revolves around the nucleus.
The revolving path of electron is known by which name?
The revolving path of electron is known by orbit or shell.
How can we calculate the mass of an atom?
Number of electrons plus number of protons.
What is the formula to find the number of electrons present in the given atom?
2n square is the formula.
How many electrons are present in the first cell?
In first cell, 2 electrons are present.
In which shell or orbit there are 8 electrons?
In second orbit or L shell, there are 8 electrons.
How many electrons are present in the fourth orbit or M shell?
There are 32 electrons present in last orbit.
In the outermost orbit of an atom, how many electrons are there?
32.
What is the symbol of hydrogen?
Symbol of hydrogen is capital H.
How many electrons are there in the atom hydrogen?
1 electron is there in the atom hydrogen.
What is the electronic representation of carbon?
Electronic representation of carbon is 2,4.
If K shell is full of electrons, then how many electrons are there?
There are 2 electrons.
If K and L shell are full of electrons, then how many electrons are there?
There are 10 electrons.
Give the name of an atom in which there are 10 electrons.
Neon.
composition of neon?
2 and 4.
How many electrons are there in the outermost orbit of nitrogen?
Outermost orbit of nitrogen have 5 electrons.
1 minute left.
In boron, how many electrons are there?
Please repeat the question.
3 electrons are there in boron.
What is the symbol of oxygen?
O is the symbol of oxygen.
To represent electrons in an atom of oxygen, how can we write it?
Two plus 6.
In which atom there are 9 electrons?
Fluorine as 9